Chapter 10, Presenting Data with Charts. Excel 2016 includes 6 new chart types: tree map, sunburst, waterfall, histogram, Pareto, and box and whisker. Charts are pictorial representations of data. A chart provides the clarity and virtual impact that makes your data come alive in a way that difficult concepts and comparisons become immediately understandable. Excel provides various types of charts. Column chart. A column chart shows the data change over a period of time or illustrates comparisons among the different items by using columns. Histogram chart. A histogram chart is used to show the frequency distribution of your data. Pie chart. A pie chart is used to plot the data for a single data series. Each data point is represented by one slice of the circular pie chart. Waterfall chart. A waterfall chart is a form of data visualization that helps in understanding the total effect of sequentially introduced positive or negative values. It helps us to show a running total as values are added or subtracted. Bar chart. A bar chart illustrates comparisons among the individual items. Tree map chart. A tree map chart is a hierarchical chart. It is represented by using rectangles each with different color. The size of the rectangles represent the data value. Pareto chart. A Pareto chart contains columns sorted in descending order together with a line displaying the cumulative total. Such charts are good at showing the most common values, profitable products, etc. Box and whisker chart. Box and whisker chart are used for showing statistical analysis. Sunburst chart. Unlike a pie chart, this can contain more than one data series. Each part of the ring in the chart represents one data series. Creating a chart. You must enter data into a worksheet to create a chart. The steps needed to create a chart are: 1. Select a range of data. 2. Select the Insert tab. Go to In Chart option. Click on the arrow on the group. 3. Select the chart type from the Insert Chart List box. 4. After selecting the chart type, click the OK button. Then select Chart Tools Design. Select Data. 5. By default the range is shown as equals sheet 1 $odd 1 $7 Bohemian dollars. Sheet 1 indicates that we are in sheet 1 in Excel. The $sign is used to represent the absolute position of the data in the worksheet. The range is to confirm that the chart is being prepared on the selected data of the sheet. On confirming, click on the OK button. 6. In the Layout tab of Chart Tools, X-axis and Y-axis are given. Headings to be displayed in the chart. 7. You can keep the chart in the same sheet or place it in any other worksheet. To do this, click Design tab under Chart Tools and then click Move Chart. 8. In the dialog box, Object In is selected by default. To place it on a new sheet, select the New Sheet option. 9. Click on the OK button. The chart will be placed wherever you have placed it. Chart Tools. After creating the chart, you can edit the chart display by selecting different chart tools from the ribbon. The chart tools will appear on the ribbon once you select the chart by clicking on it. They are available in 2 tabs. 1. Design tab. It is used for editing chart types, data switchover, chart layouts, chart styles and move chart. 2. Format tab. It is used for formatting axis typos. Various groups available under these titles are current selection, shape styles, word art styles, range, and size.